Does it hurt or does it not? Wait until the end and you're going to find out. This is Stelo by Dexcom. This is a glucose biosensor and it has an app for you. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It's not very big, the box itself, and you're going to have 2 sensors in there that are going to be good up to 15 days a piece. And there is what the sensor looks like. Let's go ahead and check this out on my father. He has type 2 diabetes. We're going to see how this works and if it's going to be good for you. Remember, when getting started, this has an app. Just scroll through it. It's going to help you get through this much faster. This is what the Stelo looks like. There's definitely a little needle in there, and you're going to put that up against your arm. But before you get started, you do want to make sure that you wash the area off on your arm where you're going to put it with some alcohol. Also, make sure your hands are cleaned. Now, he put it in this general area. You do want to make sure you get it right. The question is, does this hurt or does it not? After talking to him after did it, actually, it did not hurt, which is what I expected on something like this. Now, he did say there's a little discomfort a little bit later. It's not bad at all. You're going to pair it with the app that's going to give you your blood glucose level, and you're going to be able to monitor 24/7. Now, when you first put this on, the accuracy is going to be off. As it acclimates and as you acclimate to it, it becomes more accurate. What my father said was that if he had had this when he first got diagnosed with diabetes, this would have been huge. He now gets a look at his glucose levels as he's eating, as he's working out, or as he's doing activities, and then he can decide what things he can change better. If you're looking for better insight on your glucose levels, check out Stelo by Dexcom.